A supercharger receives air from the atmosphere surrounding the engine, compresses it to a higher pressure, and then feeds it into the inlet valve of the engine. A. Correct. B. Incorrect. C. D. The correct answer is correct. Isooctane C8H18 has octane number of A. 0, B. 50, C. 100, D. 120. The correct answer is 100. The brake power is always greater than indicated power. A. Agree. B. Disagree. C. D. The correct answer is disagree. An ignition coil in the spark ignition engines supplies voltage to the spark plug. A. High. B. Low. C. D. The correct answer is high. The operation of forcing additional air under pressure into the engine cylinder is known as A. Supercharging, B. Carburation, C. Turbulence, D. Delay period. The correct answer is supercharging. The cylinder of a gas engine is made than that of the petrol engine. A. Smaller, B. Larger, C. D. The correct answer is larger. The thermal efficiency of a petrol engine is as compared to diesel engine. A. Same, B. Less, C. More, D. The correct answer is less. The compression ignition engines are governed by A. Hit and miss governing, B. Qualitative governing, C. Quantitative governing, D. Combination of B and C. The correct answer is qualitative governing. The delay period in oil engines increases with increase in the speed of engine. A. Agree, B. Disagree, C. D. The correct answer is disagree. The specific fuel consumption per BPR for a diesel engine is about A. 0.2 kilograms, B. 0.25 kilograms, C. 0.3 kilograms, D. 0.35 kilograms. The correct answer is 0.2 kilograms. The ignition quality of diesel oil is expressed by A. Cetane number, B. Octane number, C. Calorific value, D. None of these. The correct answer is cetane number. In a 4-stroke cycle petrol engine, the expansion A. starts at top dead center and ends at bottom dead center. B. starts at 30 before top dead center and ends at 50 before bottom dead center. C. starts at 30 after top dead center and ends at 50 after bottom dead center. D. may start and end anywhere. The correct answer is starts at 30 before top dead center and ends at 50 before bottom dead center. A fuel of an octane number rating of 75 matches in knocking intensity as a mixture of A. 75 isooctane and 25 normal heptane, B. 75 normal heptane and 25 isooctane, C. 75 petrol and 25 diesel, D. 75 diesel and 25 petrol. The correct answer is 75 isooctane and 25 normal heptane. A 2-stroke cycle engine gives the number of power strokes as compared to the 4-stroke cycle engine at the same engine speed. A. half, B. same, C. double, D. 4 times. The correct answer is double. By higher octane number of spark ignition fuel, it is meant that the fuel has A. higher heating value, B. higher flash point, C. lower volatility, D. longer ignition delay. The correct answer is longer ignition delay. The spark ignition engines are governed by A. hit and miss governing, B. qualitative governing, C. quantitative governing, D. combination of B and C. The correct answer is Quantitative governing. If petrol is used in a diesel engine, then A. Low power will be produced. B. Efficiency will be low. C. Higher knocking will occur. D. Black smoke will be produced. The correct answer is higher knocking will occur. The sensing element in the control system of nuclear reactors measure the neutron flux in the reactor. A. Temperature. B. Volume. C. Density. D. None of these. The correct answer is density. If the temperature of intake air in internal combustion engine increases, then its efficiency will A. Remain same. B. Decrease. C. Increase. D. The correct answer is decrease. In a coil ignition system of petrol engines, a condenser is connected across the contact breaker in order to A. Prevent sparking across the gap between the points. B. Cause more rapid break of the primary current, giving a higher voltage in the secondary circuit. C. Both A and B. D. None of the above. The correct answer is both A and B. Which of the following statement is correct regarding normal cetane? A. It is a standard fuel used for knock rating of diesel engines. B. Its chemical name is normal hexadecane. C. It has long carbon chain structure. D. All of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. Enriched uranium is required as a fuel in a nuclear reactor if light water is used as moderator and coolant, because light water has A. High neutron absorption cross-section. B. Low moderating efficiency. C. High neutron scatter cross-section. D. Low neutron absorption cross-section. The correct answer is low moderating efficiency. As compared to air standard cycle, in actual working the effect of variation in specific heats is to A. Increase maximum pressure and maximum temperature. B. Reduce maximum pressure and maximum temperature. C. Increase maximum pressure and decrease maximum temperature. D. Decrease maximum pressure and increase maximum temperature. The correct answer is reduce maximum pressure and maximum temperature. The engines can work on very lean mixture of fuel. A. Spark ignition. B. Compression ignition. C. D. The correct answer is compression ignition. The ignition quality of petrol is expressed by A. Cetane number. B. Octane number. C. Calorific value. D. All of these. The correct answer is octane number. The fuel valve in a 4-stroke cycle diesel engine A. Opens at 15 after top dead center and closes at 20 before bottom dead center. B. Opens at 15 before top dead center and closes at 20 after top dead center. C. Opens at top dead center and closes at bottom dead center. D. May open and close anywhere. The correct answer is opens at 15 before top dead center and closes at 20 after top dead center. In petrol engines, advancing of the spark timing will the knocking tendency A. Not effect. B. Decrease. C. Increase. D. The correct answer is increase. The knocking tendency in compression ignition engines for a given fuel will be A. Enhanced by decreasing compression ratio. B. Enhanced by increasing compression ratio. C. Dependent on other factors. D. None of the above. The correct answer is enhanced by decreasing compression ratio. In a 4-stroke cycle engine, the sequence of operations is A. Suction compression expansion and exhaust. B. Suction expansion compression and exhaust. C. Expansion compression suction and exhaust. D. Compression expansion suction and exhaust. The correct answer is suction compression expansion and exhaust. Diesel as compared to petrol is A. Highly ignitable. B. More difficult to ignite. C. Less difficult to ignite. D. None of these. The correct answer is more difficult to ignite. The first nuclear power plant in India was located at A. Kota, B. Tarapur, C. Bareilly, D. None of these. The correct answer is Tarapur. The probability of knocking in diesel engines is increased by A. High self-ignition temperature, B. Low volatility, C. Higher viscosity, D. All of these. The correct answer is all of these. A diesel engine during suction stroke draws A. Air only, B. Diesel only, C. A mixture of diesel and air, D. The correct answer is air only. Anti-knock for compression ignition engines is A. Naphthene, B. tetraethyl lead, C. Amyl nitrate, D. hexadecane. The correct answer is amyl nitrate. In an internal combustion engine, the process of removing the burnt gases from the combustion chamber of the engine cylinder is known as A. Scavenging, B. Detonation, C. Supercharging, D. Polymerization. The correct answer is scavenging. In petrol engines using a fixed octane rating fuel, the increase in compression ratio will not affect the knocking tendency. A. Agree, B. Disagree, C. D. The correct answer is disagree. Supercharging is the process of supplying the intake air to the engine cylinder at a density the density of the surrounding atmosphere. A. Equal to, B. Less than, C. Greater than, D. The correct answer is greater than. The method of determination of indicated power of a multi-cylinder spark ignition engine is by the use of A. Morse test, B. Prony brake test, C. Motoring test, D. Heat balance test. The correct answer is Morse test. In a 4-stroke cycle petrol engine, the compression A. starts at 40 after bottom dead center and ends at 30 before top dead center. B. starts at 40 before bottom dead center and ends at 30 after bottom dead center. C. starts at bottom dead center and ends at top dead center. D. may start and end anywhere. The correct answer is starts at 40 after bottom dead center and ends at 30 before top dead center. Reflector in nuclear power plants is used to reflect neutrons back into the active core. A. True, B. False, C. D. The correct answer is true. During idling, a petrol engine requires mixture A. Lean, B. Rich, C. Chemically correct, D. The correct answer is rich. In natural uranium, the constituents of 3 naturally occurring isotopes are U-234 0.006, U-235 0.712 and U-238 99.282. Bu-234 0.712, U-235 0.006 and U-238 99.282. Cu-234 99.282, U-235 0.006 and U-238 0.712. Du-234 0.006, U-235 99.282 and U-238 0.712. The correct answer is U-234 0.006, U-235 0.712 and U-238 99.282. Stoichiometric ratio is A. chemically correct air-fuel ratio by weight, B. chemically correct air-fuel ratio by volume, C. Actual air-fuel ratio for maximum efficiency. D. None of the above. The correct answer is chemically correct air-fuel ratio by volume. Which of the following fuel has little tendency towards detonation? A. Benzene. B. Isooctane. C. Normal heptane. D. Alcohol. The correct answer is isooctane. In a petrol engine, the fuel supplied to the engine cylinder is mixed with required quantity of air, and the mixture is ignited with A. Fuel pump. B. Fuel injector. C. Spark plug. D. None of these. The correct answer is spark plug. A nuclear power plant differs from a conventional steam power station only in the steam generating part. A. Agree. B. Disagree. C. D. The correct answer is agree. Enriched uranium may contain fissionable contents from A. 1 to 40. B. 10 to 50. C. 1 to 80. D. 1 to 99. The correct answer is 1 to 99. In a 4-stroke engine, the working cycle is completed in A. 1 revolution of the crankshaft. B. 2 revolutions of the crankshaft. C. 3 revolutions of the crankshaft. D. 4 revolutions of the crankshaft. The correct answer is 2 revolutions of the crankshaft. If the fuel is rich in fissionable material, the reactor can be made more compact than if the percentage of fissionable atoms is small. A. Agree. B. Disagree. C. D. The correct answer is agree. The overall efficiency is defined as the ratio of the work obtained at the crankshaft in a given time to the energy supplied during the same time. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is true.